Good morning, everybody. Today is January 31st, 2020, and I'm reporting to you from Southern California, where we have almost 80 degrees right now. Very summer-like weather in January. But what I would like to talk to you is about the current situation on the stock market, and specifically about a stock that I think is a great buying opportunity right now, and this stock is Facebook. Facebook just reported the earnings, and they were able actually to beat those earnings by like 4 cents, and they came out at $2.56, and analysts were predicting $2 and let's say 54 cents or something like this. But the stock actually did sell off after market and this morning by 7%, or I think around it is down by $4 or $5, which is I think is a great news for the people who want to invest into Facebook, because you know, it's better to buy at a 2 or 3% cheaper the stock than yesterday, and while still investing in a great company. There are two main reasons why Facebook is selling off. Well, the main thing is that Facebook expenses went up, and around 56%, and Facebook actually spent $48 billion in 2019 for the workforce and for the infrastructure expenses. So that investor didn't really like that much, because it was you know, quite a lot for a company that, you know, does software and supposed to you know, not to have, I mean, they don't really have retail locations, they don't have expensive kind of warehouses, or it's not you know, really kind of like an online shopping platform where you need to, you know, store products, ship them like Amazon does, for example. So people were kind of surprised why Facebook has such expenses. So but the other thing that is also pressuring Facebook at this point is the global scare about coronavirus, where everybody thinks that you know, the disease is spreading too quickly, and you know, we might have this outbreak, an epidemic in the United States, which will greatly obviously affect US stock market. But the numbers actually do show that this thing is being controlled, and we have only like for the month of January, we have around 200 people that actually died from this epidemic, versus, I'm not sure if you know, but we have around 90 people that die in America every month from car accidents, and the death toll from traffic accidents is around 3,000 people a month in America. So far, we don't have even one single death from coronavirus in America, and the market is down 400 points or 600 points, and you know, Facebook is obviously affected by the sell-off, since it's it has such a huge number of investors, and has a pretty big market cap. But frankly, Facebook business actually benefits from coronavirus, because first of all, it offers very safe way to communicate between people, to share the news, ideas, some advice, how to act in a crisis situation. Also, it allows people to send messages to each other by using either WhatsApp, that is Facebook messaging service, or via Facebook Messenger itself. But again, this is great platform for staying safe and avoiding being infected by the virus, and at the same time share and consume a lot of information, a lot of helpful information. The other thing that I saw on Facebook is that there are companies that are advertising some products such as face masks, such as vitamins and other antiviral medications that would help people to fight this virus and generally get better, or at least get a helpful advice on what to avoid and what to do on the contrary to either relieve your symptoms if you get one, or try to protect yourself and not to get contaminated. So other than that, Facebook audience is growing. Its revenue per customer is also growing, and the latest numbers now is that every Facebook user brings around $8 I think per year to Facebook, which is translates into billions of dollars for Facebook revenue. So the company is still growing. They're offering new business, new services, and I think it's going to be a great stock to invest in 2020. So thank you for your time and good luck trading.